In this video, I will show you how to write centimeter cube in Google Docs. In particular, I will show you how to superscript 3 in cubic centimeter. Let's get started. First write centimeter, then type 3 on your keyboard, press shift on your keyboard and select the number 3. Now go to the format option and under the format option you will see here text. Click on the text and you will see here superscript. You can also use the shortcut control plus period. Click on it and the 3 will go to superscript. Now let's try shortcut on the keyboard. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and press period and you will see that the number 3 has now gone to the superscript. If this video solved your problem, please comment below and let me know. And do subscribe this channel to get latest new useful videos like this as soon as I release them. See you again in the next video.